Hello, lovelies. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. All right, I'm about to show you guys, especially forex traders, stock traders, synthetic traders, and crypto traders, how to trade Trendline Breakout as a pro. Let's start. Let's assume a particular market is, of course, you should know that before you trade, you insert your trend line on chart. You see that market is trending upward or downward. Now let's look at this. Let's consider in this market condition, it's ranging to the upside, trending downward, trending, trending, price just trending up and down, price trending up and down. Of course, I know every trader will always plot their trend line, would always bring their trend line plot this way, waiting for the price to break out of the trend line. Yes, of course, that is how it is. You always wait for price to break out and retest before you buy. But this that I want to show you guys, I want to open your eyes to something great. There's a particular strategy I do teach my inner circles. This is a strategy. We call it trend line fifth rule. Of course, I know that a lot of you don't know, you are not aware of this. But now let's consider in a market where the price action is trending up. This is the first eye. That is the, let's say, this overall target eye. Now price is ranging to the like trending arm downwards. We have that face. We have the second one. Is the second eye. You need to see the third eye. This is the third one. You need to see the fourth one. Now, this is the fourth one. This is the fourth one. Anyway, all right. You can see we have four eyes right now. We have this particular eye. Where is my brush? Shit. Where is this brush? All right. We have this first eye. We have the second one. We have this third one, and we have this fourth one. Remember what I said earlier was trend line breakout fifth rule. All right. In this scenario, you plot your trend line from this eye to this particular one. Now we have the first, second, third, and fourth eyes. So now we are expecting the price to come up. We are expecting the fifth touch to break out. That is why I call it trend line breakout fifth rule. So after having this first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, I'm expecting this fifth one to break out. Break out now. I know most of you are not aware of this, but this is how I do trade trend line breakout and retest profitably. All right, I'm expecting the fifth one to break out. Now, once the fifth one break out, it will take this eye. It will take this eye. In some scenarios, it do takes this second eyes as well. But in most cases, it's only this one. Now, once he has taken that one, that is when you see some traders will call it market structure shift has happened in the market, break of structure, and whatever is the name they do call it. You can also call it market structure shift, change of character, whatever you want to call it. So now, once the price is back to this trend line, I will now put my buy immediately. I will now put my long position immediately on that point. That is what I will do. Put my long position immediately on that point. Where it is. Okay. Let me trace this stuff. I'll put my long position immediately, then place my stop loss below that point. Overall target should be this particular eye. Where that stuff? The overall target should be this eye. So I will target that point. That is where I will target that point. Then you can see here we have 1:4. Some cases you have 1:3, 1:5. Anyhow, so this is how to trade trend line breakout as a pro. When I'm talking about trading trend line breakout as a pro, this is how the simplest way you can avert. Let me invert this stuff so that let me invert the scale. If you are looking for sales, this is how it looks like. The sales are diagram. This is how it looks like for sales, but for buys, this is how it looks like. So this is just the simplest form or way of trading trend line breakout and retest, other than you trading it blindly. So now let's go to the chart to see if what I'm actually saying is true or yes, because some persons will be like, I don't know about this. How come about this? I've been trading my own way. It's working. I want to really show you that this is what works. All right, let's come to the chart. Coming to the chart, this is 4 hours. This got JPY. All right. So this is 4 hours. Let's check it on this pay. All right, I think I trade this. I dropped this particular setup on my Telegram channel. If you're not on my Telegram channel, check the comment section of this post. You see my Telegram link. Quickly click on it and join my Telegram. I dropped this setup some time ago. Now look at this. This is what I'm actually, look at this chart right now. This 4 hours chart. Now looking at this chart, you get to see that we have first eye here, second eye, third eye. We have this fourth eye. Now, how do we go about this? How do we trade this? From the explanation earlier, you plot your trend line from this eye. Now, bringing it up down. You could see that price broke out. Now, this is exactly what I taught you guys. Now, look at this is the first eye, low, eyes, low, eyes, the third one, low, the fourth one, low. Now, you can see the fifth one broke out of that trend line. The fifth one broke out of that trend line. Now, after breaking out, some traders will be like, oh, let's buy. Oh, I've made this trade. I've done this and that. Meanwhile, price haven't taken this eye. So price come back to that trend line because you can see that the moment price retested on that trend line, boom, price took out this eye instantly. Price took out that eye instantly. Look at this. The moment price, without any drawdown, price took out this eye instantly. Without any drawdown. Yeah, okay, you can see in this scenario we have 1:3, 1:3, 1:3. That is 3.4. That 1:3. So you can see this is how to trade. If you invert this girl, you see this for sell and this for buy. So if you find this video worthy or interesting or I don't know, so premium to your taste and you love it, I'd like you to give a thumbs up on this post, share this post, and follow me on all social media platforms. I'm on YouTube, only one Danisco, on TikTok, Danny Smiler, Facebook, I'm here Danny Smiler. Then check the comment section of this post. You see my Telegram link. Join my Telegram today because I do drop my trade setups. Any trade I take, I do drop the setup there for not just signal. I'm not dropping signal. I'm not saying buy. I'm not saying sell. What I will do is I will drop my parameters, my trading setup for you to go in with me. All right. Peace out.